The work of Nobel Prize has transformed our understanding of the world. While approaching the Nobel Prize winners in chemistry, we not only learn their achievements, but also the spirit of honesty, tenacity, innovation, and forging ahead.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's class, Approaching Nobel Prize Winner in Chemistry. 大家好，欢迎走进今天的课堂，走进诺贝尔化学奖。Today I will introduce you a female professor whose name is Frances Arnold. She's the fifth female Nobel Prize winner in chemistry. Do you know that by now how many female Nobel Prize winners in chemistry are there? There are 5 in total. They are follows. Among them, in 2018, there's an American scientist whose name is Frances Arnold. She's today's leading role. Frances Arnold won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2018 for the directed evolution of enzymes. She's working for California Institute of Technology in the States. Frances Arnold was born and raised in Edgewood in the United States. She studied mechanical and aerospace engineering at Princeton University. She continued her study at the University of California, UC Berkeley, where she obtained a doctorate in chemical engineering. Then she has worked at California Institute of Technology. She became interested in energy technology and formed a company in 2005 to produce renewable fuels. The adaptation of species to different environments, which called evolution, has created a great diversity of life. Frances Arnold has used the same principles, genetic change and selections, to develop proteins that solve humankind chemical problems. In 1993, Arnold conducted the first directed evolution of enzymes, which are proteins that can catalyze chemical reactions. The uses of her results include more environmentally friendly manufacturing of chemical substances, such as pharmaceuticals and the products of renewable fuels. About her research interests, let's hear what she said. I study how biological systems evolved at the molecular level and use that insight to create new ones. Evolution works at all scales of complexity, from the proteins to ecosystems. We have developed new ways to direct evolution to particular goals by controlling how and where mutations are made and using artificial selection. These experiments have helped us to conduct new biological molecules, organisms, and even synthetic microbial ecosystems. Biofuels, prescription drugs, medical devices, they are all products of global chemical manufacturing industry, in which Frances Arnold is a maker of makers. To create a chemical reaction that produces, say, a life-saving drug, chemistry often rely on enzymes. They are complex protein molecules, notoriously difficult to produce and manage in the lab. Yet nature makes enzymes all the time, easily and precisely, using DNA optimized for just the task over millions of years of evolution. By introducing random mutations into the DNA of bacteria and mimicking evolution in commercial-like lab settings, Arnold encourages the bacteria to evolve over time into enzyme manufacturing plants, producing precise designed enzymes that are resistant to conditions in commercial lab settings. Her method-called directed evolution made mass production possible and opened the door to medicines, biofilms, antibodies, consumer products, gene diversity systems, vacuums, and a world of products previously difficult, if not impossible, to make. Today, she and other scientists who use her techniques are shaping new solutions to the world's grand challenges through more sustainable, less extensive chemical manufacturing. Directed evolution technology demonstrated that artificial selections, as practically by breeders of plants and animals for thousands of years, could be mimicked in a lab to make new proteins, introducing random mutations into the DNA encoding that analyze and forcing bacteria to make the mutated enzymes. Arnold selected those having the traits she wanted. Repeating the process on DNA extracted from bacteria with the best enzymes, Arnold was able to breed enzymes that, while perhaps irrelevant in nature, are essential to human use. Another significant example of capability of Arnold technologies is her creation of a large set of new cytochrome P450 enzymes. The flexible structure of these enzymes gives them a wide range of functions in nature. In humans, cytochrome P450 enzymes are involved in many metabolism of hormones, vitamins, and toxins. Using directed evolution, Arnold was built this flexible backbone to create novel catalyses that form a new transformation in the biological world, but important for a variety of chemical and pharmaceutical purposes. In addition to this application, Arnold's work gives scientists a fundamental understanding of how protein evolves and function in nature. Importantly, Arnold technologies provide a means of replacing traditional catalytic chemistries with processes that are more environmentally friendly. Though synthetic chemistry makes possible many of the products we rely on every day, these chemical processes are often derived from petrochemicals, depend on rare or toxic compounds, or generate large amounts of waste. Arnold sees her experiments with biological evolution as a source of cleaner, better chemicals. Arnold and two of her students founded the company Nobel in 2005 for producing isobutanol, which is the leading candidate biofuel that could serve as a replacement for or an additive to fossil fuels. During her interview with the 2018 Nobel Prize winner lecturer, Arnold was asked many questions, and there are some of her answers. How did it feel to award the Nobel Prize? I'm bouncing off the walls, but I'm trying to pretend to sound calm and collected. It's a magical odyssey, a celebration of what I like best, science. What traits are important to be a scientist? If you're going to change the world, you got to try really different things. At the end, I hope her words and her work have made deep impression on you. Thanks for watching.
大家好，阿诺德是诺贝尔化学奖历史上第5位女性得主。她的一生充满传奇。诺贝尔奖是一种至高无上的荣耀，但是这个光芒也无法抚平她内心的伤痕。她是一个科学家，同时她也是一位母亲。阿诺德的小儿子在车祸中丧生。他参加了2018年伯克利大学化学系的毕业典礼。在典礼中，他讲述了这个故事，声音几度哽咽。也许当他看到眼前一个个孩子准备在未来打拼出一片天地的时候， 有那么一个恍惚，他能在这些学子身上看到自己孩子的身影。他必须承载着这份坎坷，不断向前，把这份痛苦寄托在为全人类进步做贡献当中去。正如他在典礼的最后所说，未来是未知的，有的时候可能会令人失望，但是未来是用你自己的双手去构建的，你们就不要害怕。是时候用你所掌握的技能，让这个世界变得更好。你有责任去用你的学识去为这个世界做些什么，而不是单单为了你自己和你的家人。因为在这个小小的美丽的星球上面，我们为彼此分享，为了我们下一代去着想。所以我希望你们能构建美好，希望你们能创造一些有意义的事情，即使这个事情非常微小，因为你可以看到你的进步，而且这些事情会带给你快乐。最后不要忘记，成功的人生源于努力。希望你们可以持续学习，终有一天你们会爬上山顶，欣赏山顶的风景。希望你们旅途顺利。好了，本次课到此结束，谢谢大家，再见。